Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact earphone interface so you don't chase the wrong settings. Plug the wired earphones into the correct port or attach a tested adapter. For USB devices, use a working USB port. Once done, power on Bluetooth earphones and put them in pairing mode. Make sure Windows 11 is awake and you have admin or user access to sound settings. These quick checks avoid driver confusion and save time when you move to the system steps. You now tell Windows exactly which device to use. Open Settings, go to System then Sound, and pick your earphones under Output. Adjust volume and the output format if audio sounds off. Selecting 48000HZ or 16-bit often prevents clicks. For USB or Bluetooth, open Device Manager if the device isn't listed. Update or reinstall drivers to resolve recognition issues. Once done, test with a short audio clip so you hear immediate feedback and confirm the chosen device is. Finish by using the Quick Settings audio selector to switch outputs quickly and confirm sound. You should also test apps individually since some let you pick a different audio device. Make sure they match the system output. If nothing works, run the Windows Audio Troubleshooter and reboot. One key troubleshooting tip: if you still hear nothing, inspect the cable or battery, set the earphones as default communication and default device in Sound Control Panel, and reinstall drivers.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.